No more gambling, just systematic upgrading. Find the purple line support, that's a discount, kid. Paying all your monthly bills, that's the knowledge I give.
Rgti stock, whoa, look at that. What a massive sell-off. It's just, it hasn't had a green month since October. It's just had nothing but red months. Weekly time frame, we're at the purple line on the weekly time frame. We're at a big support level. I think Rgti is a buy. I mean, I think quantum stocks, like I said, we got Quantum Day coming up in next week, Tuesday, on the 14th. So I think quantum stocks are a buy. Like, I think buy them right now, because if Quantum Day, if they announce something significant, we should see Rgti, IonQ, QUBT, QBTS, and all the other ones surge. So, and I know some people like Rgti. I know people that are really big fans of this one. So I would say it's a buy. Like, this is, you could not ask for a better price. I mean, you're getting it at a huge discount from $58. It's at $14. So this is a steal right here. And again, it's holding up above the purple line on the weekly. So it looks fantastic. It looks exactly what you would expect it to look like. This one's better than LAES. The reason it's better is because it actually trends to the upside long term. Whereas LAES, as you recall, it's been going sideways for 4 years. So this is safer because it's actually trending to the upside. And it's hard to lose when a stock just keeps going up over the long term. And as you can see here, any red year has been nothing more than a dip buying opportunity. And so here we are again, a red year. And it's always been, like I said, it's always been a dip buying opportunity and huge potential to be, huge amounts of money to be made on the recovery. I mean, just the move from 14 to 58 is, what is that, 300%? Yeah, that's insane. Like, you need stocks to crash hard like this so you can make a lot of money. So I give it a buy. It's a buy along with IonQ and the other ones. But this one is safer along with IonQ. I would dollar cost average into it, if anything. But if you're looking to play just the Quantum Day, then you would want to buy and just hold for next week. Quantum Day is on the 14th, so next week, Tuesday. So that's something to look forward to. Any big announcement from NVIDIA, from the CEO of NVIDIA, anything like that is just going to send it. It just is. It'll move like 20-40%. So nice little opportunity there. Even if on Quantum Day, even if next week quantum stocks don't get the big pump, you're still buying a stock at a huge discount from highs. So I think it's a no-brainer either way. I'm buying IonQ though, personally, but I know people love Rgti, so there you go. Those are my thoughts on Rgti. I don't think I have anything else to say here. I don't think anything else matters, quite frankly. These are quantum stocks. They're not companies that are going to have growing revenues, right? Because the technology is it's not here yet. You're buying on the speculation, number one. Number two, you're also just buying in anticipation of a catalyst that'll send it. So, and you're buying it cheap, right? Imagine buying it at 50, 58, thinking, man, one catalyst and this goes to 100. Woo! Yeah, you feel like an idiot now because you should have just waited for it to come down nice and cheap. So you're already a winner if you're buying Rgti down here at 14s compared to the suckers up there holding a big bag, hoping like, oh, I hope it comes back to 50 because goddamn, I'm holding a big bag. So yeah, I give Rgti the buy. This is a buy. Sell targets of 30. $30 would be what, 100% return. Then 50, and yeah, that would just every $15 move is another 100% in your pocket. Think of it that way. And I'll leave it at that for Rgti. That's it.